Hi there, students. All hands to the pumps, or also all hands on deck. Okay, this is an interjection, it's an exclamation. This is saying that there is a bad situation, there's a problem, and we need as many people as we can to try to work out this urgent problem. Okay, so we only had a week to organise the event, so it was a case of all hands to the pump. Everybody had to work as hard as possible. Let's see, the origin of this phrase, all hands to the pump, is from a ship, and the pump is where you pump up and down to pump water out of the ship, which means that the ship is sinking. Yeah, there's a problem, there's a hole in the ship, or there's too much water in the ship, and everybody must pump out the water, otherwise the ship's going to sink. And that's the idea. So we need everybody working for this. Everybody must contribute to this. All hands to the pump. We need all available help with a problem. This is a call to everybody to help. It's normally used in an imperative. Look, your grandmother's coming to our house tomorrow, and the house is a terrible mess. So we need all hands to the pump. Everybody's got to do this. We've got to cover this before the rain starts. Yeah, so all hands to the pump. Get moving, because the rain's going to start. Okay, it's all hands to the pump for this event that we are going to hold. So it's indicating that everybody's needed, is urgently needed to help out in an emergency. Yeah, it's as I said, you are pumping out a ship because it's an emergency. I think originally this was all hands and the cook on deck. So notice there's this phrase, all hands on deck, which you could use in the same way. All hands and even the cook on deck. Everybody's expected to participate in this. We need everybody's help. So yeah, this is an order saying we've got an emergency, we need help, we've got to get this job finished by tonight. So it's all hands to the pumps, or all hands to the keyboards, as is more proper. Notice all hands. The hands are all of the people working for an organization, all of the people who work for a company. So you could have an all hands meeting, a meeting where everybody in the company is present. Okay, so all hands to the pump, a situation where as many people as possible are needed. It's urgent. Yeah, we need everybody urgently to help out, because, well, these wooden ships, they let in water, and if there's a storm, you don't want to sink. So everybody's got to work hard because the situation is urgent. Yeah, all hands to the pump. Yeah, everybody help. I need everybody to get moving, to get into action, because this is an emergency. Yeah, it's an emergency, and everybody needs to pump out the ship because it's going to sink otherwise. Okay, so all hands on deck, all hands to the pumps. Everybody working. We have a month to organise this event for 20,000 people. So it's going to be all hands on deck for the next month. Yeah, everybody's going to have to work flat out. Okay, so yeah, all hands on deck. This is something that everybody has got to deal with. Yeah, we need an all hands approach. Okay, the business is going to fail if we don't do something now. So it's all hands to the pump. Yeah, all hands are needed. Everybody's needed to help. Urgent help is needed. Yeah, move it. Come on. So, all hands to the pumps. Or all hands on deck. Formality. I think I'm going to give it a 4, maybe a 4.5 in formality. Formally, using a semi-formal conversation, a semi-formal writing, perhaps not something very formal. So all hands to the pumps, or all hands on deck.